As COVID-19 restrictions lift, hospitals are bringing back a critical resource they lost during the pandemic. News 12's Shauna Narine tells us about the return of volunteers.
If you're a patient in the hospital, it's nice to talk to volunteers about things not related to your health.
They understand it's...
Patients like Tom Roccotagliata say even if you're here just a few days, the volunteers know you by name, and he says that makes people feel special.
There's people popping in all the time. It's amazing just to be asked, like, how are you feeling? How are you doing?
After 16 months, volunteers are officially back at NYU Langone. Jean Zabrowski, Director of Volunteer Services, says the volunteers are extremely dedicated to their hospital.
I promised that they would once again be able to return, and they said we will wait, and they all did.
Jean Zabrowski says pre-COVID they had over 400 volunteers here at the hospital. She's hoping that they're going to have a lot more in the coming months.
So many community members have given us a call and reached out to us saying, you know what, we now know what it's like on the other side, and we want to be able to give back to you and support you as a hospital.
Mickey Clifford has been a volunteer at the hospital for over 12 years and has put in over 8,000 hours. He's well known and helps out by directing hospital workers, finding wheelchairs and stretchers.
I try to be very helpful as I can. Greeting people, the mail room, I love that, and I love coming up to the third floor with the wheelchair.
Besides volunteers, the hospital has a pet therapy program called WAGS to help ease the pain and stress among patients.
You make miracles happen.
Kind of makes you forget that you're dealing with something, for a little bit.
Shauna Narine, News 12 Long Island.
Well, if you think you would like to volunteer at NYU Langone, you can head to our website, news12.com, and click on numbers and links.